it's good for us to talk about some of the things that have happened and some of the things that are coming kind of down the pipeline. And speaking of pipelines, one of our big public projects in 2018, 2019, 2020 will be the water treatment plant. So, this is such a huge capital investment for the town. And why do you feel that this is so necessary?
Well, it's really, I think there's a couple of reasons why it's so important to the community. And this is something that we have been talking about for years. And it certainly before I was the town manager, and my predecessor, Tim Gagan, really kicked off, the new water plant. But if you think about it, our existing water plant, which is out by the Tarn in Blue River, is over 40 years old. So it's aging. And we have to think about what's the next 50 years going to be for the town. In addition to that, we are at times reaching 80% capacity on that water plant. And when all the experts will tell you, as you near 80% capacity, you should start thinking about the future. And do we need to either add on to that, or do we need to build a new plant? So due to the aging of this plant and the location, we really wanted to look for a second plant at a different location to help us, maintain water for our community should there be some sort of a critical incident that occurs at the south end of the county. And, that certainly a fire is one of those things that, that can happen. And so this provides redundancy for us, provides a brand new plant that will operate for the next 50 years for our community. It's at opposite ends of the town from our old one, which is great. And it allows us to add capacity because, the town is growing and we are seeing more people in their homes year round.
And it's, James said, our public works director said something about millions of gallons of water to be treated every day.
It's a 3 million, it's designed to be 3 million gallons a day with the ability to add another train onto it, which a train's usually 1.5 million gallons. So we could do up to 4.5 million gallons a day.
And as we go into the next year, it'll just be that continued construction of the plant.
Yes, I mean, if people go by and they see at the roundabout at the north end of town, they'll see all the construction that's occurring at the water plant, and more of that is going vertical.